Meaning of daffy. Daffy. Daffy.
Daffy. Daffy. The word daffy is an adjective that means crazy or silly. It can be used to describe someone who behaves in an eccentric or nonsensical manner, or something that is absurd or ludicrous. For example, a person might be described as daffy if they talk to themselves or have strange habits. Alternatively, a movie or book could be considered daffy if it has a plot that is particularly far-fetched or unbelievable. Overall, daffy is a light-hearted and informal term that is often used to describe things that are humorous or quirky.